In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add privacy policy in Jotform. Adding a clear privacy policy acknowledgement is a simple way to build trust, meet compliance requirements, and make sure people understand how their data will be used before they hit submit. Start by opening Jotform and loading the form you want to edit in the form builder. If you have multiple forms, choose the one that collects personal information or anything sensitive, because that's where this matters most. Once your form is open, look to the left side of the builder. Click Add Form Element to open the panel, then switch to the Widgets tab. Widgets are special building blocks that add functionality beyond the basic fields, and this is where Jotform keeps its consent tools. Use the search bar at the top of the Widgets tab and type Terms and Conditions. When you see the Terms and Conditions widget, click it to add it to your form. It will appear as a checkbox with customizable text, which is perfect for an I agree statement that includes a clickable link to your policy. Next, click the widget on your form and open the widget settings using the magic wand icon. In the text box, replace the default wording with something clear and concise, such as I agree to the privacy policy. Keep the wording straightforward so users know exactly what they're confirming. Below that, paste the URL where your privacy policy lives. This can be a page on your website, a public Google Docs link, a direct link to a PDF, a Jotform hosted PDF, or any other public URL. The key is that the link must be accessible without sign-in, so every respondent can read it. If you update your policy later, just return here and replace the link so your form always points to the latest version. To make sure no one can submit without agreeing, click the widget again and toggle Required to On. This enforces the checkbox as mandatory, and if someone tries to submit without checking it, they'll see a prompt to complete that field. It's a small switch that makes a big difference for compliance and record keeping. As a quick tip, place the widget where it's most visible, often near your submit button or right after fields that collect personal data. Keep the consent text short and let the link carry the full policy details. Before you share your form, preview it and click the privacy policy link to confirm it opens correctly. That's it. You've added a privacy policy acknowledgement to your Jotform, linked it to a publicly accessible policy, and made it required for submission.